Having a reliable stock management system is key to cutting down on operating expenses, setting menu prices wisely, and establishing portion control strategies. Aim to simplify the inventory process as much as you can. That's why I prefer the shelf-to-sheet method. Making it easy to locate items on your inventory sheet encourages thorough counting by those responsible. Your inventory report gives you a clear picture of what items are used most frequently and how often you need to replenish them. Armed with this knowledge, you can make smart decisions to save money, like buying in bulk or finding less expensive alternatives. You might even strike up deals with vendors you regularly work with. So take a look at your budgeted inventory use and what you actually used. By comparing what you planned to use with what you actually used, both in quantity and dollars, you can spot where you're falling short. Split your totals to show your paper goods like to-go containers and paper napkins separate from food and drink items. But realize that usage of those paper products will fluctuate according to business too. Understanding where your biggest discrepancies lie and bridging the gap between planned and actual costs can greatly improve your inventory management efficiency. By making these tweaks, you regain control over ingredient costs and boost your profits. It's all about that cost of goods.